to flee where I am now. A light that shines brightly and doesn't fade away. All in an attempt to bury this unyielding pain. And though the future holds no promise, it will be okay. For now I clutch my fears and begin to make my way. Screaming to this melody probably will make my point. Shouting like a child does nothing but annoy. This noise that refuses to simply subside and mute. I must outrun this noise, that's what I'll do. Those fires of this dreadful unfaltering, stop pretending I cannot